Our next story focuses on another partnership, this one about advancing the technological brainpower on campus. Here at NACET, the Northern Arizona Center for Emerging Technologies in Flagstaff, representatives from Northern Arizona University are meeting with community members who can help them transform their science to marketable applications.
This partnership is crucial for the university because it allows us to reach out into the community in a way that, frankly, none of us was trained to do. Faculty members are selected and hired and nurtured for their intellectual power and their teaching abilities, but not for how to start businesses or how to recognize a commercializable opportunity. The connections to the business community and to the region's economy is what the incubator allows us to provide.
NACET is a business incubator with an emphasis on technology startups, renewable energy, and science. This focus makes NACET an ideal place for NAU researchers to bring their ideas.
Well, it's a natural fit because in order for us to grow businesses, we need the technology. At NAU, they need to take the technology that they're developing and get it off the shelf and grow businesses. So it's a perfect combination. It also allows existing businesses in Flagstaff to meet faculty at NAU who may be able to help them further develop their technologies and things they need in their own business in order to grow more jobs in Flagstaff.
These ideas support the university initiative NAU Ventures, designed to stimulate the local economy by bringing applications from research to market. Professor Tim Porter is working to educate fellow academics on this trend in higher education, hoping they'll embrace it.
For NAU, it means that we teach our faculty to be more entrepreneurial. The faculty can invent new knowledge, patent that new knowledge, start new companies, license that new knowledge, and participate directly in the money that new knowledge might bring in the form of economic development.
Generating income is the topic du jour in Arizona, with the state facing historic budget gaps and massive cuts to education.
And so it's up to the universities to try and diversify their own revenue stream, and this is a way to do it. If some of these new companies are successful, or if some of these licensing agreements are successful, there's another potential revenue stream for universities to rely on. And so there is something in it for us.
This event is called NAU to You, with consultants from NACET mentors who assist entrepreneurs and new companies. The casual environment fosters one-on-one interactions, helping new conversations along.
I have spent my 30-year academic career so far at NAU being a traditional academic, teaching, researching, writing papers, publishing, and I think it's an interesting opportunity to think about the possibility of an entrepreneurial model, a commercial model, maybe doing some of the things I do for the university in a more private basis, maybe on a bigger scale with different kind of motivation. So that's what I'm here for.
The impetus for conversations like these began about a decade ago when voters passed the Growing Biosciences Initiative, generating a tax revenue for Arizona's public universities. And now with NACET in Flagstaff, economic development in the sciences is being facilitated.
So every 6 months we'll bring together faculty from the university, our mentors, business people, and just let them cross-pollinate ideas and learn and network with other people that already exist in the community.
A study released earlier this year shows employment in the biosciences is up 31% since 2002, a trend many in Flagstaff say they'd like to see continued.